Hey there, my name is Damian Horn. I'm one of the product managers here at AJA Video Systems, and I am super excited to talk to you about our brand new DRM2 rack frame for AJA mini converters. First, you'll notice 3RU height, and we'll take off the passive faceplate here, and you can see that we support 12 AJA mini converters in here. It's super easy to get your mini converter in and out. You don't have to take the whole frame out and unattach from underneath. All you have to do is just unscrew this guy and bring it out, and there you go. You can swap out your mini converters this way. And the way it attaches to the carrier is just 2 screws go into the back here, or if it's a model that doesn't have that, you can also put the 2 screws in from the bottom, and then you just slide it in the slot back there. Screw this down, hook up the power connector, and you'll connect all your cables and you're good to go. You'll notice that this unit right here has got 2 FiDOs stacked on top of it, and that's because with 200 watts of power, you can easily power 24 of these FiDO mini converters. And because they're so small, you can actually stack them on top of each other. Now, there's only 13 of these power connectors, so you'll have to purchase our extra Y cables that we sell, and you can buy those individually or in packs of 12. Same with the carriers. You can buy these single units, or you can buy them in packs of 12 if you want to rack up more mini converters, or you lose one or something, you can have more that way. Taking a look at it from this angle, you can see the power harness connects right here. So you got 200 watts of power with 13 different fan outs here that can feed all 12 carriers for the mini converters, as well as that 13th power hooks up into the active faceplate to power those fans. We did provide this extra hole in the back with some screws that come with it. So if you want to bolt this down too, just to make sure it's totally shock proof and not shaking around, you've got that option as well. In addition to the passive faceplate here that comes standard with the DRM2, you can also order a active faceplate, which has got 4 fans on it. And this option is great for when you're in really hot environments, or you're using high-powered 12G mini converters that are producing a lot of heat. And if you do happen to buy it first with the passive one, and then decide later that you want to put some different mini converters in it that's taking up more power, or you're changed environments, you can always order the active faceplate as a standalone option. And you can find out more information at aja.com.